Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Live Well with Coach P. And today we're making a fruity sorbet. All right, the ingredients are very simple, and most importantly, it's super duper easy to make. So let's go. So for this recipe, you're going to need frozen fruit of any kind, cucumber juice, which is basically cucumbers that are juiced or cucumbers that are blended and then strained to make the juice, liquid sweetener of your choice. I'm using agave today, and half of a lime. All right, and that's it. Those 4 ingredients are required to make this fruit sorbet. So once you have all 4 ingredients, guys, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add everything to a food processor, and then you're gonna blend until smooth. So for me, there are little bits of fruit that is actually weaved into the sorbet, and I like that. But if you do want something a little bit smoother, then you could let it go a little bit longer, or you can actually then do everything in a blender. It's entirely up to you. And this is what it should look like, guys. Nice and smooth. All right, there's a little bit of body in there, as you can see from off the spoon. You can eat it as is, just like that. But I actually want mine to be a little bit firmer. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna transfer it to a bowl. So you can transfer it to any container that you want. And then we're gonna freeze this for a few hours. After freezing, we're gonna plate it up and make it look all nice, just like this. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome aboard. Click that like and subscribe button, guys. And if you guys do give this a try, definitely let me know in the comments. All right, guys, until next week. Bye-bye.